Incredibly interesting facts about artificial intelligence. The road to life for artificial intelligence was given in 1950, when the computer pioneer Alan Turing introduced the Turing test in his article, Computer Science and Intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and neural networks are terms used to describe powerful machine learning-based technologies that can solve many real-world problems. Fact 1. AI has a female face. Siri and Google now speak in female voices, and this is due to the preferences of users. Most of them admitted that a female voice sounds friendly and does not seem threatening to them. Fact 2. He is able to adapt to breakdowns. American scientists worked with a robot equipped with artificial intelligence and found that it can continue to work, even if it was seriously damaged. During the experiment, the injured robot was able to adapt to at least 6 different types of damage, including the complete loss of 2 lower limbs, and the arm of the robot was able to adapt to at least 14 types of damage, including the failure of 2 of its engines. Fact 3. AI inherits the beliefs and stereotypes of its creators. The artificial brain draws its conclusions on the basis of the data originally embedded in it. Therefore, it is characterized by racial and gender prejudice. Studies have shown that some facial recognition computer systems confuse the sex of black women in 35% of cases, and only 0.8% of white men. This is because the percentage of male photos in the databases on which the AI worked was 75% of the total, while 80% of them were photographs of whites. Fact 4. Artificial intelligence can answer questions. Today's most powerful AI-based text generator, OpenAI's GPT-2, can write entire paragraphs and doesn't make mistakes, but it's hard to establish causal relationships. At the same time, the system correctly answers questions if they relate to general knowledge. Fact 5. AI can learn everything that a person can. Researchers expect that by 2060 artificial intelligence will be able to independently perform almost all human tasks. For example, scientists at Oxford University, in collaboration with Google's DeepMind AI division, taught the system to read lips better than people do. Fact 6. AI robots already work as announcers, fly into space, patrol ships, and play football. At the Chinese state news agency Xinhua, a robot announcer reads the news. It is created in the image of the real prototype of Zhang Wanwei. The robot can not only read news texts, but also learn from human colleagues, imitating their facial expressions and manners of speaking. The Simon 2 robot communicates with astronauts on the ISS. It uses the IBM Watson system as its AI. Updating with the service allows Simon 2 to understand and respond to people's emotions. Fact 7. AI helps fight coronavirus. In countries around the world, AI-powered systems are helping to track infected people, gather information about the virus, and look for a vaccine. For example, the Israeli company Vocalis Health has developed a technology for diagnosing COVID-19 disease based on voice spectrum analysis. With the help of MEGVI read technology, China has developed a system that identifies those who have a high temperature in the human stream. Fact 8. Artificial intelligence saves the planet and provides people with food. NatureServe, a non-profit organization dedicated to highlighting the conservation of biodiversity in the United States, Canada, and Latin America, has teamed up with the analytical company SAS as part of the Data for Good global initiative. With the help of AI, data on plant and animal species are collected. Their location and population concentration are determined. Fact 9. AI will improve the human brain. A group of researchers from Israel, Spain, Switzerland, France came up with a way to interact artificial neural networks with biological neural networks. A new development using AI will help doctors in neuroprosthetics. It will allow, if necessary, to replace damaged neurons in the human brain with artificial ones using optogenetic simulation technology. Elon Musk has advanced the furthest in this area. In 2016, he created the company Neuralink, which develops brain-computer interfaces. Fact 10. AI will change the healthcare system. With the help of AI, new drugs are created and the effectiveness of drugs prescribed to the patient is checked. AI is already helping to recognize various diseases in medical images. For example, the Botkin.ai startup analyzes and processes diagnostic images of computed tomography, X-rays, and mammography. In the future, AI will be able to take over the functions of primary sorting and control of medical images, X-rays, tomograms, histological, cytological, genomic studies, etc.